Hello everyone, welcome to the Priyanka Rattawa show. In this episode, I'm going to show you how to make Rajbhog. Rajbhog is a popular Bengali dessert made during festivals or special occasions. It is similar to Rasgulla, only difference is it is stuffed with nuts, yellow in color and is bigger in size. Let's start by making the chena. In a large pan, take milk, heat at medium flame and let it come to a boil. Now switch off the flame and add lemon juice. Stir it. You can see the chena has started to separate. Place a sieve and then the cheesecloth. Pour in the chena mixture. The whey is very rich in protein, so you can use it in making chapati too. Wash the chena with cold water so that it removes the sourness of lemon. Squeeze out extra water and then allow to rest for 1 hour. Our chena is ready. Remove from the cheesecloth and break it. Now time to knead it. You can knead it with your hands as well. This may take a longer time and effort. I like to use my food processor as it makes my work easier. Put the chena in a food processor or blender jar. Little yellow food color. If you don't want to add artificial food color, feel free to add little turmeric or haldi. It works fine. Blend in pulses until the chena comes together and form lumps. You can see it has become silky smooth. Take it out and then bring it together to form a dough. For the stuffing, I have some MISHRI and chopped pistachios. Take a small portion and roll it between your palms to make a flat sticky shape. Now put pista, MISHRI, saffron or kesar, now roll again to give a sphere shape. Roll it until you get a smooth surface like this. Let's make the sugar syrup. Take water in a large vessel, add sugar, cardamom or elaichi. Cover and allow it to cook until we prepare all the chena balls. The sugar has dissolved completely. Make more sugar syrup so that the Rajbhog gets enough space to bounce and cook. Now let's add the chena balls. Cover and cook at high to medium flame for 15 to 20 minutes. Take a large vessel so that they don't stick to each other while cooking. You can cook in pressure cooker also. Just cook at high flame for 3 whistles and it should be done. Switch off the flame. Now I'm going to add kesar or saffron, which will give a lovely yellow color and flavor to the Rajbhog. And now allow it to cool at room temperature. You can see we have got nice yellow color on the Rajbhog. Allow it to cool completely and then put it in the fridge. Do give it a try and let me know your experience in the comment section. Serve it cold. This is bursting with flavors. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching it. Subscribe to Akshay Foods. Eat healthy and stay happy. See you next time. Bye bye.